90 seconds to understand what the Bitcoin whitepaper is, changing the world with just 9 pages? The story of Bitcoin begins in 2008 with the public release of a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This document, written under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, was only 9 pages long, yet it kicked off a new era of cryptocurrency. The paper described a new way to make secure payments without the involvement of banks. Simply put, the white paper proposed a solution: how to allow people to transfer money directly online, avoiding trust issues, lowering transaction fees, and preventing the double spending of digital currency. Traditional online payments require a third-party intermediary, like a credit card company. Bitcoin, however, uses a technology called blockchain to record every transaction in a public ledger, which is jointly verified and maintained by users around the world. The white paper also introduced the concept of mining, where computers on the network participate in transaction verification through computation and earn new bitcoins as a reward. This mechanism ensures the security and stability of Bitcoin, allowing the entire system to operate without relying on any central authority. For beginners, the Bitcoin white paper is like the birth certificate of this industry. While its content is highly technical, its core idea is actually quite simple: using technology to let money flow freely and to allow everyone to participate. If you're interested in the future of cryptocurrency, understanding the fundamental logic of the white paper is the crucial first step into the world of blockchain. Explore more crypto knowledge with OSL Crypto Bits. Ready to dive in? Register on OSL now and start your journey.